Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today let's talk something about how to age and dress gracefully. When we are in our teens or early 30s, we can flaunt with as many variety of clothes as we like. All the patterns, all the trends which are going on, they look much more nice on us than a little later on as we age. So I guess we must dress and present ourselves very gracefully. With age, there's a lot of changes in our body. May it be due to your menopause or after becoming a mother, our body and our shape changes. There are a lot of transitions in our body. So I think what we can wear earlier, it might or might not suit you after a few years. So while shopping, you have to be really thoughtful. Let's talk something about skirts. Um, all of us like to wear skirts, but after a while, we must take a lot of care about the length of the skirt. When we are younger, they look much nicer because we have a little more toned body. And even if you're working out, if you have real nice and toned figure, you can flaunt it. But in case you are going little low on your workouts, or don't try very short skirts. The appropriate length of a skirt, which looks nice and presentable, is just below the knee. That looks nice at any age. Even if you're, and especially when you're aging and when you're growing, so that looks much better and much graceful to have a little lower than your knee. Even if you want to wear short skirts, or maybe if your job asks you to do that, you must try and wear it along with stockings, so that looks little more better and graceful and gives a proper image to you. Next important is your necklines. Don't go too deep or too high with your necklines. Even if you're heavy on top, make sure that you have little long deeper necklines, but not too deep to showcase your cleavage. So make sure, because it looks really cheap. And don't even go too high with your necklines, because if you're heavy on top, that will make you look little more heavy and bulky. So the focus will be totally on the portion which you really don't want to show off. Try wearing flat collars, even those look really nice. Dresses look really nice on everybody, whatever is the age. But to wear the proper fitted dresses talks a lot about you. Your dress should not be too tight or too loose. Too tight dresses shows all the flaws which you don't want to show. And if you're wearing a really loose outfit, or looser than what it should be, that will you'll be hanging in that, and it won't give you the confidence that you want to show. The body will, it won't give that grace. My suggestion would be wear comfortable, smart, proper length, which are all-time classics. Next is all-time favorites, sleeveless or halters. Most people love to wear sleeveless as well as halter necks, but please watch out for your arms and your shoulders. Saggy arms, if you have, if your shoulders or your arms are going little loose, or the toning is not there, it's a total no, a total image breaker. Most people don't realize while what they have been wearing sleeveless for years, and they still continue wearing without doing any kind of workout, your arms look really bad. I really don't know how to explain, but it's a total image breaker. It really spoils your image. Make sure when you're wearing sleeveless, your arms are actually toned, your shoulders are back upright, which looks really nice, confident and smart. If not, if you feel that your arms are going little less on toning, or they're not looking that appropriate, either you try and tone them. Meanwhile, you can go ahead with the 3/4 or the shorter sleeves, or little 3/4. They look really smart and elegant. and especially while you're aging or with with time, it's all time classics. These 3/4 sleeves or half sleeves, they look really nice and elegant. Or else what you can do is you can take a third layer on. That will give you, adding the third layer gives you the authority as well as the look. You look more confident, appropriate, and to the point. Lastly, never go by the trends. You do go by the trends. What I mean is you should wear all the stuff which suits you. Not that it is in the trend, so you have to wear it whether you can carry it or not. So that is totally not acceptable from elegant and smart ladies, because you have to wear things which suit you, which bring out the best of you rather than to show the worst of you just because it is in trend. So make sure that you dress well, you age gracefully, and people look upon you.